At its core, draw.io is a tool for creating structured and complex diagrams, right? But we believe that it's the one tool to aid in any team's success. As proof, we're going to take a look at a few use cases you might not find in your everyday work life. Hi, it's Emily from Team Draw.io, and in this video, I want to show you some fun and playful ways to use your favorite diagramming app. Let's first look at creating one of the most popular games of all time, checkers. Start with a grid of 64 squares and use the fill tool to color the squares in alternating colors. Then design your own checkers pieces by creating circular shapes and, again, use the fill tool to color them in to your desired colors. If you'd like, you can even add text or images to each piece to indicate which player they belong to. When you're all done with your checkers board, simply move your stones with your mouse to start playing. You can also save your checkers board and your scratch pad to easily start a new game at any time. Next, we're going to check out another way we can game inside Draw.io with a fun memory game. We'll use many different shapes and colors to create the matching pairs needed for this type of game. For example, blue squares, red circles, yellow arrows. Really, your imagination is the only limit. I've also added a custom graphic to the back of the cards to make them more realistic. Here's a pro tip. Remember to utilize the layers feature when working with many shapes on top of one another. To do this, add the shapes to the bottom layer and the back of your cards to the top layer. This way, you can easily move your cards or edit the shapes beneath to switch it up. We also have a way to make your layered diagrams interactive with buttons to toggle them visible rather than the icon in the Layers panel. For more information on this interesting feature, check out the description below where I've linked to our blog. And last, I want to quickly show you a simple pachisi board. Following the normal structure, use squares and circles to build your board. Choose 4 different colors and decide which shapes should serve as your pieces. For dice as virtual as your custom-made board game, you can quickly find some online to use. Now, you and 3 friends can enjoy your one-of-a-kind games with our live collaboration capabilities, without ever leaving your computers. So there you have it, just a few of the many ways you can use Draw.io to unleash your creativity and have some fun. I hope you enjoyed learning about these more unique cases in diagramming. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to never miss out on our latest content. See you later!